Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've already watched my previous video on installing Wan2GP, then this one is for you. Today I'll show you how to run Wan2GP completely free on Google Colab, so you don't need a high-end GPU or a powerful PC. With this notebook, you can launch the Wan2GP web interface directly in Google Colab and start using the latest AI models for image generation, video generation, and text-to-speech, all from your browser. I'll walk you through the entire process, from opening the notebook to launching the interface and using it for the first time. If you haven't seen my local installation guide yet, you'll find the link in the description below. Now let's jump into Google Colab and get Wan2GP running for free. Click on the GitHub link in my description. This will take you to this Wan2GP notebook. This is very easy to use. First, click on Runtime and choose Change Runtime. Select T4 GPU, or if you got Pro account, any other GPU you want. After choosing, click Save, and on right corner click on Connect. Wait until it's connected. Once connected, click on Play option on Clone Cell. This will start loading Clone Cell. Once done, you will see this and click Cancel. I accidentally added installation cell again. Don't run it. Run 2 error fixing cells one by one. Finally, run main cell and wait till you see a local and a Gradio URL. Click on Gradio URL. This will launch Wan2GP in your browser. Since we got limited RAM and VRAM of Google Colab for T4, only TTS and music options will work. For example, let's try Chatterbox multi-language and TTS option. Choose language since it's multi-language tool. Upload audio file you want to sound like. Type text and click Generate.
Welcome to Chatterbox.
Using Wan2GP on Google Colab, you need to get one thing in mind: it's RAM, VRAM, and hard space. Only use one tool at a time for new tool, change browser, or reconnect notebook. I hope this Google Colab notebook helps you run Wan2GP completely free without needing a powerful GPU. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more free AI tools, Google Colab notebooks, and local AI installation guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. You'll find the Google Colab notebook, the previous Wan2GP local installation video, and all the important links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.